Okay guys, so this thing isn't working. I don't know why. This stupid screen. It's probably just a faulty screen. Sorry about the terrible angle. Let me just fix this retarded focus. I've actually been putting this off for like a month now. It's still not doing anything. I forgot my screwdriver. Oh boy. It's a rough day. Found my screwdriver. The battery doesn't even want to charge the phone. It just refuses. Where's my bit? Here it is. Alright, so supposedly charging, but like, alright, maybe it's like an angle where it needs to be. I don't know, but let's just clamp this down, then pop it out. Undo that. Undo that. I almost just lost my screws there. Alright, let's see. Let's bring it up slowly. Look for an angle. Maybe. Come on. No angles. Alright, you're gay. Move away. Alright, I'm going to attach the old screen and see if that does anything. Yeah, I've legit been avoiding this. It's been like a year. No, it's been like a month, but like this has just been really pissing me off for a while. I have two little cables. One, I don't know if the second one clips, but I don't care. Alright, plug this in. Oh, this battery sucks. Alright. Yeah, this works, you see? If you can kind of see. You can see it's like dim. But you can see it works, alright? I just pulled it off right there. You know why? Because I don't care. And this one, you see this one. Plug it in. All that really matters is this one. Plug it in. Nothing. Did you see that? You saw that, right? Whoa, whoa, hold up. You saw that. So this screen is just messed up. It's just white. It's not me. I'm not white. Wait, I am. That's besides the point. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna plug this in. See if that makes a difference. Can you guys see anything? I'll do this for you. Alright, screw it. All that needs to be plugged in right now is this one. You can see when I put it at an angle, it works. I don't know what angle, but hey, the backlight's on. I can tell you that. So this must be water damaged. I've dealt with these before. Oh geez, this is embarrassing. Like, seriously embarrassing. I got this screen from my friend. I bought this iPhone for $20 with a replacement screen from my friend. And like, they said it was brand spanking new. They just didn't want to put it on themselves. But that's a load of dog. Alright, I'll stop right there. Alright guys, so I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Look at this. Alright. Alright, listen. Did you hear that? Oh wait, my microphone's over here, so you heard that, right? And if you can cup your hand over the screen, it doesn't show on camera, but you can tell it's on. Let me just like, you guys can tell it's on. I don't know, but the vibration works. Let me put it here. See? Put it on the table. Yep, see, it works. Everything works. You can see it's on, but like...
Voiceover on.
Voiceover on.
Voiceover off.
Alright, if you hold the power and home button, oh, it's gonna fix it. Doubt it completely. I mean, it works. The iPhone works. But just the screen doesn't. That's the thing. So holding the power and home button, trying to get it to force reset. Or force restart. I've been holding it for like an hour now. Is the screen on? Screen isn't on. I think I broke it, guys. Alright. I think I accidentally put it in DFU mode. What I'm gonna do is just completely hard restart it. Oh yeah, I lost my suction cup, so I have to use a GPS mount. I mean, it's super strong, but it works. It's like way too strong. Alright. Unplug you. I didn't even have to unplug the screen. What was the point of that? That's not what I was supposed to do. I feel retarded. Need this bit. This stupid screwdriver. Alright. Wish I had a better angle for you guys. I'm sorry about that. Alright, here's the battery connector. There you go. Plug that sucker right back in. I'm gonna move those there just in case I need. What? Go where? Gotta go. Hard restart it. Oh yeah, I lost my suction cup, so I have to use a GPS mount. I mean, it's super strong, but it works. It's like way too strong. Alright. Unplug you. I didn't even have to unplug the screen. What was the point of that? That's not what I was supposed to do. I feel retarded. Wish I had a better angle for you guys. I'm sorry about that. Alright, here's the battery connector. There you go. Plug that sucker right back in. I'm gonna move those there just in case. Come on, you were working 69 minutes ago. I had to screw it all up. I turn off this light, see if the backlight does anything. Nope, back to how it was like an hour ago. Oh my gosh. How did I get it to work? Don't ask me how. I just have a magical touch of ruining everything ever. Get off. It should be booting up. I kind of plugged in a charger. This cable's heating up like crazy. I don't know if that has anything to do with anything. I'm gonna play with this. I'll turn the light real dim, like barely even noticeable, just so I can kind of see this wire. Hello? Are you in there, my dude? Come on. What about this guy? You gonna turn on too? No, I probably shorted out the board or something by holding the power and the home button together. Whoop-de-freaking-do. Unplug that. Is that the... What happens if I do that? Oh, look at that. Screen turns on. No, it doesn't. It turns on for a second when I plug it in. Unplug it, plug it in with no battery. Well, I did that. Jeez. Alright, so I have an idea. Let's plug in the replacement screen. Just this one wire, which is supposed to be... maybe that's kind of the cause why it's not working. No, that can't be the cause. Alright. Forgot to wear my microphone the entire time. Alright. Oh, I did get a Galaxy S8, by the way, but that doesn't matter. Alright. This is getting kind of annoying. This one's like a different size, I think. I'm just gonna, like, put them in order, because last time I completely messed it up, and it took me like an hour to figure out how to put it back in order. The home button's gonna stay, by the way, just because. Alright, oh no, I gotta take this off. Take everything completely off. Alright, there. Take this off somehow. Shoot. Do I slide it and it comes off? I forget. Take you off, my boy. There. Perfect. So, got the shielding off. Maybe my shielding was just messing it up. So now it's just like this. Bare to the bones besides the home button. Everything else is bare to the bone. Alright. Except for that, because that's completely broken off. Alright, let's put this back on. Let's see. Gonna do anything now? Let's hope so. Not just be a useless waste of time. Alright. So far, a useless waste of time. Let's do this. Yep, there. See, it's on. The screen is on. Now let's try this. No, it doesn't like power running through it, because it decides, no, I'm not cool enough for power. Is this the original? Yes, the original. That one's even in worse condition than this. I wonder, what if I rip this part off? Will it still work? Actually, what if I do the same damage to this one on this one? So over here, it's a little messed up over here. So if I just dent it over there a little bit. If it doesn't, then I found our culprit for the gay screen. Nope, it still works. Do not know our culprit for the gay screen. What is up with this stupid screen? Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't even turn it on, that's why. Look. Plug it in. You gotta click that. And the phone. Guys, I did it. I don't know what I did, but I think I did something. Here, turn this off. Alright, you can see what I'm talking about now. That the LCD is kind of working. It's not displaying any graphics, but you can see the backlight is working. So what if I just... You heard that, right?
Page 2 of 3.
Yo, shut up!
Muted.
Ah, screw this. Come on! Alright. Home button doesn't do anything. Alright.
Press home to open. Button.
Will that do anything? What if I plug in my soldering iron and just start soldering things? Alright, how about that? We're just gonna do that. I got my soldering iron here. Just gonna solder things, okay? Let's wait for that to boot up. Alright.
Press home to open. Button.
Alright, it did. Where do I put this? Alright. Shoot, alright. Alright. Now I gotta just move it and try to get it to display something fabulous.